Hello and welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make big letters in Character.AI. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To make big letters in Character.AI, go ahead and open up your web browser first and log into beta.character.ai account. While on a chat with a character, if you want to make big letters in the text that you are trying to send, all you need to do is to press the Shift plus Command and press the plus icon appearing on your keyboard, and you'll be able to see your Character.AI's text size increasing. Not only the text size, but you can also increase your windows for Character.AI. That is how you can easily increase the size of the text in Character.AI. All you need to do is to press the Shift plus Command key and hit the plus icon on your keyboard. If you want to decrease the size, simply press minus instead of plus, and that is how you should be able to do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.